My name is Emmanuel Mbambiko. I sit on the board of Wonderful Industries Company Limited. This training has been quite very useful. I am a corporate governance trainer myself, and I've also presented these trainings for some time. However, the presenter this morning has taken a completely different way of presenting the same information but packaged totally very differently in a very productive and beneficial way. So for me, it has been a good refresher course, notwithstanding the fact that one is a corporate governance trainer. This has added another flair and a dimension to the corporate governance issues itself, and brought alive into the group discussive points, which is very appreciative. So I think I would like to say, to the presenter, well done, you've done a good job, and keep it up.
We will always promise service beyond expectations. Indeed, people are happy, as you can see from the responses. And we say thank you, God, for giving us the grace, giving us the ability, and giving us the time and the life to share whatever that we have with these people. I thank you all.
For further details, you can call the following numbers: 0977 786329 or 0950 786329 or 0965 387712 or email vinac@zambia.co.zm. Vinac Consultancy Services Limited. Service beyond expectation.